Today is Sunday. It's about almost 2 o'clock. I got out of church. I had a really good day, and I'm just kind of tired today. So I'm not going to hold you guys up, okay? I'm going to show you how to make a quick, nice Sunday's gravy, okay? Now, you can put whatever vegetables you want. Bell peppers, onions, you know, things of that nature. Celery, if you want it to be chunky. Garlic, all of that. Put it all if you want. It's up to you how you want your gravy to be. I'm going to, I've already fried chicken, you guys. That's why my pan looks nasty. But that's the whole point of making gravy. The way I like to make it, the country way. Old school way my mom made it. So, with that being said, what we do is just take a regular cup. I'm letting the fire get hot while I'm telling you guys. You just get you a cup and put some flour in there, a couple of spoons of flour and a couple of things of cold water. You see that milk consistency? You want it to be like that. You just keep mixing it up, okay? You don't want it too thick. I don't like it too thick. 2 ways you can do it. You can do it dry. I might do it the dry way. No, I'm not, because I don't have time. But the dry way, you'll just throw the flour in there, start stirring it up with the grease, start slowly adding water, because if you do it that way, that's how you can make it brown. If you want brown gravy, like real dark gravy. So I'm going to do it the wet way, because it's a little bit quicker for me. I'm going to add some red onions, okay, and green onions. A little garlic. You want the fire up kind of high, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Crank it up. You're going to cook it fast, and a little bit of salt. The reason why I'm going to do it the wet way is because this stuff needs to come off the pan at the bottom. You see all that grit? You want all of that to come up. Okay? So far, so good. It's smelling delicious. It's kicking up something. I hope you guys had a really good weekend. I know I did. I had a really good weekend. Church was really nice. It was pretty nice. I was up there mainly the whole morning from 8. I got up at 7, been up. It's been a long day, but it's, you know, really worth it. Because I need that word. It keeps me going through the week, you know? And I like it. You just want to cook these onions down a little bit till you get a little kind of cook them all the way through. We're going to take a little bit of bouillon. The church was pretty cool. I'm just so tired. I was up late last night braiding hair all day. Remodeling my closet in between, just doing a bunch of stuff. I get busy. I do that sometimes. So I'm just kind of going through these allergy thingies. That's what it mainly is, the allergies. They're just like a bummer right now because I have to take these Benadryl and it sucks. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. I'm gonna start adding, because I gotta still cook this gravy. Make sure you use cold water with your few spoons of flour, you guys, okay? You can either season the flour or you can season this right here the way I did it. Do it the way I did it because, I don't know. See how I'm adding that? And when you take that chicken out, you guys, just make sure that you leave some of the grease. And don't dump out the skin, you know, the crunchy stuff and all of that. Leave it in here. Because this is all going to melt. You see that? It's already turning into a gravy. It doesn't take long, but you have to be really near it and be consistent. You know, just kind of hang around. Surprise! Surprise! Hey, Love Muffin. Surprise. Surprise. You gonna say ABCs for mommy? Yes. ABCs? And see, it's already going into a gravy mode. Okay, I'm just making steamed rice that you guys just heard coming out of the microwave. I made some fried chicken already, and I did the cabbage and stuff. I don't know why I didn't tape this. I should have, but I was so tired and out of it. I didn't even have, matter of fact, I was on the phone. That's what it was, running my mouth. But I made cabbage, gravy, rice, and fried chicken. You just want to keep rotating this around. If you have to, you guys add water, okay? Don't be afraid to add water. You kind of want to use a spoon. You kind of got to, it's kind of like you baking. Bring me that, bring it in here. Bring that jacket in here right now. Bring it here. See how it's getting thick? It's great. It's turning into gravy, but it's getting thick, okay? So I'm going to turn the fire low. Add a little bit more water. Add a little bit more salt. Gravy can get bland very fast. Turn the fire on low. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's check this gravy and see what we got going on. Oh yeah. See what I'm talking about? But you cover it, let it sweat. What happens is that oil blends in with the flour. It relaxes the flour. It's like, hey, flour, calm down. You know, I'm the oil man. You know, it just slithers it. It relaxes it. This is homemade, you guys. Eventually, that grits, see, it starts to come off the bottom. That's your seasoning. That's why you don't add too much salt. You just, any other, this is the way to do it, okay? You can do it a dry way, too. Both of those ways is optional. You save a lot of money. Fry your chicken, lift the chicken up, and boom. You got you some gravy. And look. It's creamy, and I'm sure it's going to be bomb. It's going right over this rice. Okay? We're going to let it cook a little bit longer. Turn it down some. Turn it back down. You just let that cook. You keep checking on it and checking on it and checking on it. You want it to kind of at least simmer in this form with the top on for at least 30 minutes. If you want longer than that, you want all the onions and the seasonings from the bottom and everything to come together and make magic, you know? And these are my cabbage, you guys. This is the cabbage. All I did was take a quarter of head of cabbage, cut it out, a quarter of it, because it's not too many people. And then I just added bell peppers and onions. Garlic powder, onion powder, and I just got some bacon bits, but they're imitation bacon bits, but they're flavored, which is healthy because they're not actually bacon, but it gives you that same taste, and you know, gives you that same, you know, taste. Season it all, some seasonal, just basically season it, do a couple of bacon bits in there, and I added a teaspoon of used chicken grease. That's how I do it. I'm sorry, you guys. That's just the way I do it. Because I like that old school taste still. So I try to cut as many corners as I can. But I like that oil in there. Because that chicken oil gives you the substitute of, you know, hog maw or fat back and stuff that I really would. Salt pork. Oh my God, I would kill to have a piece of salt pork right now. But I'm trying to let the pork go. I'm trying to wing off the pork, you guys. But these are this is my cabbage, and it's good. I know it's good. I'm just waiting on it to cook down some more. And like I said, I'm gonna just have this with some steamed rice. I'm gonna slap this gravy on top, and my fried chicken. And my fried chicken, it's just regular fried chicken. I didn't fry it too fancy. It doesn't look that good, but this is my fried chicken. I'm just gonna fry. That's it. That's it, you guys. I'm not gonna do too much today. I was tired, and this week I was tired. It's been a draining year for me, but it's been blessed. It's been a blessed filled one, but it's just been draining. Oh yes, it has. You see that? Just let it. I'm gonna let this water cook out a little bit, and let it cook down some more because it's almost done. And I'm gonna show you the finished result. Okay, guys, let's check the gravy. I always turn on my fire when I take the top off for you guys so I can give y'all that effect. You see this? Done. Okay? Look how smooth my gravy is. You see that? Okay? And that was free. Okay? I'm going to just say it was free because all this stuff is in the refrigerator anyway. Fry your chicken, fry your pork, fry whatever you're going to fry. And even if you're doing veggies, same thing. Okay? That's done. Guys, this is my rice, and it's just some steamed rice that I put in the microwave. Okay, it's nice and fluffy. Put a couple of teaspoons, like a teaspoon of butter, halfway rice, halfway water. Put it in the microwave for 20 minutes, maybe 22, 25. Add some more water the last 5 minutes. If it's not moist enough, cover it up. Top like that. You can get these containers at Walmart. I think I told you guys before. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of this rice to my meal. I'm gonna make a small dinner. It's early still, so this is like going into my lunch actually. But it's gonna be eaten all day. Y'all know how that goes. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna add the gravy now on top. Now watch how that gravy slides. Look at that. Smooth. Look at that, y'all. Boy, won't he do it? Yes, he will. Look at that. Look at that gravy. Look at that. Look at that cha-cha slide. Look how it's cha-cha slide. Oh, that's so good. That's that good eating, y'all. I'm about to be knocked all the way out. Where's my spoon? Oh. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit of this cabbage for you guys. So y'all can see how that look. Look at that cabbage. They got them bell peppers, boy, with that bacon bit. That smoked bacon. And that's the cabbage. And I just got one piece of ugly chicken. I cook my chicken real hard, okay? So that's why it's looking like that. I'm sorry, y'all. That's how I cook my chicken. I don't do too many fried chicken videos because I don't know how to cook fried chicken real pretty. But it be damn good, or darn good. Anyways, with that all being said, you guys, I can't explain to you how appreciated I am for you guys watching my show. Take your time. The comments, I love all of the love. I love the likes, the everything. Or even on my YouTube, on my Instagram. And that's Gigi Magic, Gigimagiq. Snapchat, same thing. Gigi Magic, Gigimagiq. Follow me, guys. Keep supporting me, subscribing me, sharing me, commenting, all the good love. I love it, you guys. I pray that you guys have a prosperous week and that things go your way. I pray that you have a safe one and a blessed one. And with that being said, once again, God bless you all. And to all, a good night. Amen. Mwah. Goodbye.